Want a powerful physique? It all starts with a strong chest. It's not just about looks. A strong chest improves your pushing power for everyday activities. Think about it, pushing open a heavy door, lifting groceries, even playing sports. A well-developed chest also improves your posture. This can boost your confidence and presence. Remember, building a strong chest is an investment in your overall health and well-being. Let's get started on your journey to a stronger, more powerful you. No gym? No problem. Building a strong chest doesn't require fancy equipment. You can start right at home with bodyweight exercises. One of the best exercises for beginners is the classic push-up. Push-ups work your entire upper body with a primary focus on your chest, shoulders and triceps. Don't underestimate the power of bodyweight training. It's highly effective for building muscle and strength. As you progress, you can always add variations to your push-ups to increase the challenge. Remember, consistency is key. Start with a few sets of push-ups a few times a week and watch your chest muscles grow. The push-up is a fundamental exercise for building a strong chest. Let's break down the proper form to maximize your results and prevent injuries. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your body should form a straight line from head to toe. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest touches the floor. Keep your core engaged throughout the movement. Push back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully. Focus on controlled movements and proper breathing. Inhale as you lower down and exhale as you push back up. Master the push-up and you'll build a solid foundation for more challenging chest exercises. Ready to hit the gym? The bench press is a staple exercise for building a massive chest. It targets your pectoral muscles along with your triceps and shoulders. Lie flat on a bench with your feet flat on the floor. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart, using an overhand grip. Lower the bar to your chest, keeping your elbows slightly tucked in. Push the bar back up to the starting position, extending your arms fully. Start with a weight that you can handle comfortably. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. As you get stronger, gradually increase the weight to continue challenging your muscles. Section 5. Fly high, fly safe, targeting your chest with precision. In this section, we will delve into the intricacies of performing chest flies, an essential exercise for anyone looking to build a well-defined chest. Chest flies are an isolation exercise that specifically targets your chest muscles. Unlike compound movements like the bench press, chest flies focus solely on the pectoral muscles, allowing for a more concentrated workout. They help to develop the inner portion of your chest, creating a fuller, more defined look. Over time, consistent practice of chest flies can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle definition and overall chest aesthetics. Lie flat on a bench with your feet flat on the floor. Ensuring a stable base is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing injury during the exercise. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing each other. This grip allows for a natural movement pattern that effectively targets the chest muscles. With a slight bend in your elbows, lower the dumbbells out to the sides in a wide arc. This motion should be controlled and deliberate, ensuring that the tension remains on the chest muscles throughout the movement. Squeeze your chest muscles to bring the dumbbells back up to the starting position. The contraction at the top of the movement is key to maximizing muscle engagement and growth. Maintain a controlled movement throughout the exercise. Rushing through the reps can lead to poor form and reduced effectiveness. Avoid using momentum or swinging the weights. This not only reduces the effectiveness of the exercise, but also increases the risk of injury. Focus on feeling the stretch in your chest muscles at the bottom of the movement. This stretch is crucial for muscle activation and growth, ensuring that you get the most out of each rep. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate chest flies into your regular workout routine to see the best results. With dedication and proper form, you'll be on your way to a stronger, more defined chest. Stay motivated and keep pushing your limits. Your chest transformation is just a few flies away. Section 6. Fueling your chest gains, nutrition for optimal results. You can't build a strong chest with exercise alone. While hitting the gym and performing chest-focused exercises are crucial, they are only part of the equation. Proper nutrition is crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Without the right nutrients, your muscles won't have the building blocks they need to repair and grow after intense workouts. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Each of these macronutrients plays a unique role in your body's ability to build muscle and recover efficiently. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. It provides the amino acids that your muscles need to rebuild stronger after being broken down during exercise. Good sources of protein include chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Incorporating a variety of these protein sources can help ensure you're getting a complete range of amino acids. Carbohydrates provide your body with energy for workouts. They are your body's preferred source of fuel, especially during high-intensity training sessions. Choose complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. These carbs are digested more slowly, providing a steady release of energy and helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Healthy fats support hormone production and overall health. They are also important for the absorption of certain vitamins and can provide a long-lasting source of energy. Incorporate foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil into your diet. These foods are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are beneficial for heart health and can help reduce inflammation. Remember, food is fuel. Give your body the nutrients it needs to build a strong and muscular chest. By combining a well-structured workout routine with a balanced diet, you'll be on your way to achieving optimal results and reaching your fitness goals. Section 7. The importance of rest. Let your muscles rebuild and grow. Many beginners make the mistake of overtraining. They push themselves to the limit, thinking that the more they work out, the faster they'll see results. However, this approach can be counterproductive and even harmful. They think that more is always better. But in reality, overtraining can lead to fatigue, injury, and burnout. It's crucial to understand that your body needs time to recover. But rest is just as important as exercise when it comes to building muscle. Without adequate rest, your muscles don't have the opportunity to repair and grow. This can stall your progress and even set you back. When you work out, you're actually creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. These micro tears are a natural part of the muscle building process. Your body needs time to repair these tears and rebuild the muscles stronger than before. This repair process is what leads to muscle growth and increased strength. This process happens during rest. Without sufficient rest, your muscles remain in a state of breakdown, which can lead to overuse injuries and chronic fatigue. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is when your body does most of its repair work, so it's essential for muscle recovery. Give your muscles a break between workouts. Incorporate rest days into your fitness routine to allow your body the time it needs to recover and grow stronger. Don't train the same muscle group on consecutive days. This can lead to overtraining and diminish your results. Allow for at least 48 hours of rest before targeting the same muscles again. This ensures that your muscles have enough time to repair and grow, leading to better performance and reduced risk of injury. Additionally, proper nutrition plays a vital role in muscle recovery. Consuming a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats and carbohydrates can support your body's repair processes. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Water helps transport nutrients to your muscles and aids in the recovery process. Incorporate light activities like stretching or yoga on your rest days to keep your body flexible and promote blood flow to your muscles. Remember, rest is not a sign of weakness, but a critical component of a successful fitness journey. Embrace rest days as an essential part of your training regimen to achieve your fitness goals effectively. Section 8. Listen to your body, avoid injury and train smart. Building a strong chest takes time and effort. Don't try to rush the process. Start with lighter weights and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Pay attention to your body's signals. If you experience any pain, stop the exercise and consult with a qualified healthcare professional. Use proper form for all exercises. Improper form can lead to injuries and hinder your progress. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're unsure about an exercise, ask a trainer or experienced lifter for guidance. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. Section 9. Consistency is key. Stay committed to your fitness journey. Building a strong chest isn't a quick fix. It's about consistency and dedication. Make exercise a regular part of your routine. Aim for at least 2 to 3 chest workouts per week. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. It takes time for your body to adapt and grow. Stay consistent with your workouts and nutrition. Track your progress to stay motivated. Keep a journal of your workouts, noting the exercises, sets, reps, and weight used. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Section 10. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress and stay motivated. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a stronger chest. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. There will be challenges along the way, but with hard work, dedication, and the right approach, you can achieve your fitness goals. Don't be afraid to push yourself. Step outside of your comfort zone and challenge your muscles. Celebrate your progress and enjoy the process. Building a strong chest is not just about physical strength. It's about building confidence, discipline, and a positive self-image. Embrace the journey and enjoy the transformation.